How to use Illustrate AI's pixel and vector mode effectively. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use your design bundles Illustrate AI's pixel and vector modes more effectively. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So to use Illustrate AI, first head over to design bundle. What you can do is directly go to illustrateai.designbundles.net. After you're there, you can give it a text prompt. And after you give it a text prompt, choose the image count, choose the art style and size, and finally create. Then you'll get multiple different options here. So after you do that, select the one that you like. So let's say that I want to use this. Now to head over to vector or pixel mode, you will need to tap on the edit option on the bottom left of the image. Tap on edit. And after you tap on edit, it will take you to this section where you can choose your workplace. Now here you can choose your pixel or vector mode. Now for pixel mode, it is best for photographs and digital art, or anywhere where you can simply find details more important. So you can choose pixel mode right here. You can use a descriptive text prompt to define the image's content and style. You can do that from pixel mode. Now, for your vector mode, it's best for creating scalable designs and graphics like SVG cut files. And it can be used for circuit designs as well, and for designs that can be resized without losing quality. So choose either one. So select pixel if you want to edit, or if you want to make images like photos or digital arts, and just click on pixel mode. After you do that, pixel mode will open up. So after you select a mode, it will take you to Craft Designer, where you can start editing your stuff. Now, since you chose pixel mode, you can add text, you can choose the library, you can remove background. You'll find this extra button right here, in which you'll find other multiple options. So here what you can do is you can add a text prompt. So if I just add a text here, you can choose the styles as well. I'll just tap on add text. And right here, I'll just write whatever I want. So if I just remove this much and I'll simply write wings of glory. Then I can place it wherever I want. Let me just change. And I'll just add it right here. And after you do that, you can also choose to remove your background if you want. So tap on this remove button, and your background will get removed. After removing the background, you can also do multiple stuff, such as you can select your desired. You can also use this eraser button to erase what you want. So if you tap on erase, you can choose the size of brush, and then finally use the brush in your image. Then other thing that you can do here in your pixel mode is use a sticker marker. You can use magic fill. You can use magic extend to extend your backgrounds, and many other stuff. Now let's move on to vector mode. After you choose the vector mode, it will show up like this. Now you don't really need to remove backgrounds or anything from here, since it will give you just the shape of your image. Now what you can do here is, sure, if you want to add text, you can do that as well. You can choose the library option to add multiple other things on your image. So if I want to add this line here, I can tap on this line and it will start getting added to the image. So there you can see there is the line. I can place it wherever I want. I can also choose the layers option from here to bring up or down the image. So after you're done with that, you can also add shapes, multiple shapes. You can tap on the offset option to improve your offset. And that's basically how you can use your vector on your Craft Designer. And that is basically it for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.